Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best canning starter set is probably one of the most essential and rewarding investments a home cook can make, especially if you're looking to preserve the bounty of your garden or simply enjoy the satisfaction of creating your own delicious jams, jellies, pickles, and preserved fruits and vegetables year-round, offering a delightful journey into the world of food preservation and a fantastic way to reduce food waste while enjoying fresh, homemade flavors. Number 5. Dissolvable canning labels, orange. Tired of sticky residue? These labels disappear in seconds under running water, leaving no mess behind. It's like magic for your jars. Our 2-inch round labels are designed to fit standard mason jar lids perfectly. You can easily write on them with any pen, pencil, or marker. Use them on jars, plastic, metal, or even wood. They are perfect for canning, meal prep, pantry, or freezer organization. Clearly label your food with dates or contents. This helps reduce waste and eliminates the guesswork of what's inside. These labels are 100% biodegradable and easy to remove. Trust them to be your reliable solution for labeling all your homemade goods. What we like? These labels dissolve in seconds, leaving no sticky mess behind. If you hate scrubbing jars after canning, these are for you. They are also biodegradable, making them an eco-conscious choice for your kitchen. What people say. The jars are a good size for small batches, and the lids seal well. The canning kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a funnel, tongs, and a lid lifter. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 4. CANNI CC 130 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the CANNI CC1, a comprehensive 30-piece gel nail polish set. It offers a stunning variety of colors for endless nail art possibilities. Enjoy a rich palette of black, pink, nude, red, blue, and green shades. Our formula is HEMA-free, ensuring a safer and more comfortable application. Achieve salon-quality manicures right in your own home. This kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced nail art enthusiasts. The soak-off gel polish is designed for easy application and removal. Get a durable, chip-resistant finish that lasts. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to create beautiful nail designs. Elevate your style with vibrant, long-lasting color. What we like? This gel polish set features a HEMA-free formula for safer application. If you're looking for a vibrant collection of colors for at-home manicures without compromising on quality, this kit is a great option. What people say. This canning starter set is a great value for beginners, providing all the essential tools needed to get started with home canning. The jars included in the set are high quality and durable, perfect for preserving fruits, vegetables, and other foods. The canning kit comes with a detailed instruction manual that makes the process easy to understand, even for those new to canning. Number 3. Concord 7-piece Premium Stainless Steel Canning Set. Embark on your canning adventures with Concord's comprehensive 7-piece starter kit. It includes all the essential tools to get you preserving delicious food right away. Our canning rack is built with extra thick 3mm stainless steel wires, providing superior stability compared to competitors. You can trust it to hold your jars securely. This set is designed to complement our 20-quart stainless steel canning pot, sold separately. The rack fits most pots 12.5 inches or wider, accommodating 8-pint or 7-quart jars. The kit comes complete with vinyl-coated tongs, a jar lifter, a jar wrench, a funnel, a magnetic lid lifter, and a mixer measurer. Everything you need is right here. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set is built to last. Enjoy rust-free performance and reliable use for all your canning needs. The included rack features a 12.25-inch diameter, ensuring a snug fit for your jars. Confidently lift and handle your preserves with the specialized tools provided. What we like? This set boasts an extra thick stainless steel rack for superior stability and security. If you prioritize durability and a secure hold for your jars, this premium kit is an excellent choice for serious canners. What people say. Perfect kit for canning. Comes with just about everything you could need. Good variety of canning tools to have. Durable, holds canned goods, very useful. Product delivered on time and was exactly as presented on website. No complaints, exactly what I required. Number 2. Pisol Canning Supplies Starter Kit. Introducing the Pisol Canning Supplies Starter Kit, your comprehensive solution for all your home canning needs. This set includes all the essential tools to make your preserving process smooth and successful. The kit features a high-quality stainless steel canning rack. It's designed to resist corrosion and rust, ensuring your jars are safely suspended and maintain consistent temperatures during processing. Effortlessly fill both wide-mouth and regular-mouth mason jars with the included wide-mouth funnel. Its generous neck diameter makes transferring preserves a breeze, minimizing mess. This set is perfect for a variety of homemade preserves, from jams and tomato sauce to pickles and jellies. Canning your favorite foods is a rewarding way to enjoy seasonal ingredients year-round. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This canning set is an ideal present for wives, moms, family, and friends who love to preserve. It's the ultimate helper for anyone passionate about homemade goodness. What we like? It comes with a wide-mouth funnel, perfect for easy filling of both regular and wide-mouth jars. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit that makes the canning process smooth and is also a thoughtful gift, this set is ideal. What people say. This set is very sturdy and well-made. I have used it several times and it's perfect for canning and pickling your garden vegetables. I was able to easily store all the pieces in the original box for next time. Really liked the size of the jar funnel. Help get food in jars neatly. Alherver los frascos para las conservas de tu casa, los frascos están muy calientes. Fácilmente puedes quemar tus manos. Para mí el uso de estas herramientas me ha facilitado su manejo. Rápido y sin problemas. Muy buena compra. Number 1. 21.5 Quart Stainless Steel Water Bath Canner Starter Kit. Get ready to preserve your favorite foods with this all-inclusive canning kit. It comes with a large stainless steel pot, rack, and all the essential tools to make your canning journey simple and successful. This spacious 21.5 quart pot is perfect for water bath canning, boiling, or steaming. Its durable stainless steel construction is compatible with various stovetops, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. This kit provides everything you need, from a jar lifter and tongs to a funnel and magnetic lid lifter. Each accessory is designed for ease of use, ensuring a hassle-free canning experience. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel and silicone, these tools are built to last. You can trust their durability and safety for all your food preservation needs. Whether you're preserving fruits, vegetables, or jams, this set is ideal for water bath or pressure canning. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced canners looking for efficient home preservation. What we like? This set includes a large 21.5 quart stainless steel pot, perfect for water bath canning. If you're a beginner or seasoned canner who needs a complete, high-quality setup for preserving large batches of food, this versatile kit is the one to get. What people say. The pot is a good size, plenty of space to fit multiple jars at once, which saves me a lot of time when batch canning. The metal is thick enough to distribute heat evenly, which is important for keeping a steady temperature during the cold pack process. This set had everything I needed as a beginner in canning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.